Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and this is the slogan for passive income, the way forward. And this is on the print on demand, for the print on demand business, where you put slogans and sayings on your caps, your hoodies, your jackets, and your mugs, and anything else you can think of, yeah. And that's what this is, which is under this passive income system. It's also mostly passive, so there's so you're not chained. You can. I mean, it's the easiest business that there is online. I mean, that's one of the easiest businesses. All you've got to do is come up with these sayings. You put them up, you run, and you chuck it, you run them, test them, and you chuck out the losers and put in more, and you get some winners, and before you know it, you're getting paid regular income from your winners, and then you just keep on rinsing and repeating. That's what you keep on doing, and that's what you do, and this is I recommend Printful, because they teach you what to do. They show you you get a free account from them. You can start for free. They start you for free as well, so which is a really good idea. Okay, so with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So we get, without further ado, let's get on with it. Let's come up with some sayings, shall we? Here's one. Here's one here. I'm probably not going to be liked, because a lot of people, these wealthy people, will probably not like what I'm doing here, But this is the truth, this is what they do. They don't get involved with active income, no. Wealthy people create passive systems. That's systems, yes. Create passive income systems. So I'll have to put income in there. That's what they do. They don't get involved with, active income. They just don't get involved with it, right? That's for sure. There's another one. Yeah, I've just taken a while to do this. See, so there you go. There's another truth, right? Made a mistake. I'll just correct that mistake. Right. See, passive income is wealth. Right, another mistake there. We get these mistakes, get rid of these mistakes, where active income is not. And that's the truth as well, because it isn't. You've got to be present. How can you get wealthy when you just got to be present all the time? It's just, there's no way that's going to work, is it? That's another one. So that's another truth. And the thing I said when we first started. So so here we go. Here's another one. Yeah, there's another one, right? Now, this is another truth, right? Because you don't have to work, there's no hourly rate here. And that's the thing, see? Now, this is something people don't understand, right? They just don't understand this. They just think, that it's all BS and everything else, because they're stupid, right? People are stupid. They really are stupid. They don't think right. They've been programmed and conditioned to think in a certain way, so certain people get paid. And they don't realise that. Because they don't call it profits, do they? They call it taxes instead, when in reality it's profits. Print on demand is a passive system. So that's what it is. You know, once you start doing this, you get your winners, and they are passive. They keep paying you over and over and over and over, and over again. You know, for as long as they last, or forever. You know, for years. You know, some of them will pay you for years, some for months. You know, and this is how it works. It's a passive system. See, and you create that. See, wealthy people create passive income systems. But you see, you've got to be you've got to be right between the ears before you can do that, right? Because most people are going to go, "Oh, there's no money in it. I don't want to do this." They moan, they bitch, but they don't understand. You see, they want the immediate gratification. I don't want that myself, because I want the wealth. You see, the wealth is a lady that's very, 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 very shy, and she doesn't come immediately. No, but when she does come, she comes in a flood. See, that's the thing. And that's what most people don't understand, right? Passive income is wealth, where active income is not. And that's true. Because how can you get wealthy when you've got to be always got to be there? You know, you see, there's two quadrants. Right, this is Robert Kiyosaki I'm about to quote. There's the left side of the quadrant where the employee is, active income, and the self-employed individual is active income, right? And then there's the right side, right, which is where the wealthy people are, people who have businesses, right? But this is internet as well, right? Because a lot of the internet businesses are passive anyway. You know, by just once you get the traffic sorted, you just get paid. The money keeps coming in. That's what happens. Especially when your products are really good and people need them. Oh, definitely. Then it's really good. You know, it's just, but people don't understand this, you see. You know, they think that, it's better off to be on an hourly rate because at least I'm going to get some money. But it's the worst place. You'll never get rich doing that. And that's why they go and buy a lotto ticket for. Because they're stupid again, that's just how it is. Wealthy people create passive income systems. Passive income is wealth, where active income is not. No, you've got to be there. How can you be wealthy if you've always got to be there? Print on demand is a passive system, and it is true. That's true. Because you don't need to spend much time on it, you see? And it'll always pay you. You see, you spend a little bit of time, you get paid. Not 8, 10, 12 hours a day. 5 or 6 days a week. Stuff that for a joke. No, that's not much cop. And I'll show you what I mean. Look, it's just so simple. It's so simple. Here we go. See, we're at Printful. There's the girl with the hoodie and your design here. And that's all you got to do, just to do the design. Which is what I'm showing you, right? And it couldn't be easier, could it? Here, I've just done 3 in front of you, right near on the fly, right? 3, You see, it's not that difficult, right? And I'll show you something else too. I'll show you that. I'll prove to you. Here's a free account, right? My free account. That's my name, and then there's the t-shirts, the hats, and the cups, mugs there, the best sellers, and a mat too. No, it's just get involved with this. I mean, it's just really simple. It's not that hard. And these guys teach you what to do. They want you to succeed. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? This is a passive system, right? This is what you want to get involved with. Keep your job, keep your active income while you're developing this. Don't give it up, because if you don't do this, you're stuck at the start line all your life. Because that's all active income is. You always got to be there. You got to be present all the time. Well, stuff that for a joke. You never have any fun. You wait for the weekend to have a bit of fun. Well, why should you do that? You got to, like I said, you got to change what's between your ears. Come on, get involved with this. You get trained here. Look, Fashion Guide, Printful Academy, they teach you, and they give you a free account. Come on. Don't be stupid. Don't be silly. Don't fall for the government tricks, who is not government, by the way, but a corporation, a company, who doesn't want competition, who gives you what type of education? They give you the worst kind of education, they do. It's academic education, just so you can get a qualification, so you can get a job. And why do they do that? Because that's the highest tax, isn't it? And so that they get paid. That's they call it taxes, right? But it's not. It's their profits. See, you pay them, and that's why you get an academic education. That's the reason, because it benefits them. So you understand now? You get it? Come on, get involved with something that where you can make money and you get somewhere, you know. And don't get down on it because you got a few that don't work. I mean, get off your ass and do something for yourself. Come on, you know, this is. I mean, this couldn't be simpler. I've just shown you how simple it is, you know, by doing a few in front of you, you know. Well, we'll go back to that. Look, wealthy people create passive income systems. And that's what Printful has done. They've created a passive income system for you to slot into. A passive income, see, passive income is wealth where active income is not, because you've got to be present. You've got to be there. You're on the early rate. You're stuck to the clock. You know, print on demand is a passive system, and it is. It is. You know, it is. You can get wealthy doing this. It's a fact. And once you do get a good cash flow from this, you'll be looking around for other systems. That's what you'll do. You see, because that's how it goes. You see. So if you like this video, right, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Come on, get involved. I mean, you're not going to be you're not going to get anywhere sitting on the sidelines, and you're not going to get anywhere with your passive, your active income job. Your JOB, which means just on broke, will never get you anywhere. You will certainly never ever be wealthy. That's for sure. I can tell you that with a great 100% accuracy, that you will never be wealthy on active income. No way. It's no way that's going to happen. You have to go for the passive income like the wealthy do. That's what they do, right? So wake up, come on, get involved, get off your ass, okay? And if you know, like I said, thank you for watching this video. I know I've been a bit harsh to you, but hey, someone's got to wake you up. And no one, look, who else is teaching this? No one. Nobody's telling you this, are they? I'm the only one teaching you this. And how easy was it for me to come up with these three? You saw me do it right in front of your face. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, which I'll be going to next. Okay, thank you, and bye for now.